Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 EVS class. Again I am repeating now I am conducting now class 1 EVS class and the topic is staying clean and healthy. Chapter number 10. Again I am repeating you I am taking now chapter number 10 staying clean and healthy. Open page number 53. Everybody should open page number 53. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. Our body is made up of many parts that work for us in different ways. We should take good care of our body. We should keep it healthy and clean. Good habits. Which are the good habits? Something that we do every day becomes our habit. We must follow some good habits to keep our body healthy. Children with healthy habits stay fit and fine. Some good habits are. So, what are your habits? What do you mean by the word habit? Habit means which become one of our general lifestyle. Like wake up in the morning is a good habit. After waking up, after taking you must go to the toilet, then after getting refreshed you have to brush your teeth, wash your hands before meal, that is also a good habit. Read books regularly, also a good habit. And there are like many good habits. Okay, proper dining habits, that is also considered as a good habit. And all these kinds of good habits will help you to be healthy and happy, because if you are not healthy you will not be happy, because we all know that health is wealth. So if you will not keep your health properly, you will be the loser. So good habits is very important, and from the childhood it should begin. Otherwise, when you will be elder, when you will grown up, it will very tough for you to become follow all kinds of good habits, because that time the bad habits are very common with you, and you will not that bad habits will just become the parcel of your life, and that become a very unhygienic lifestyle generally. Okay, so we should eat food that is good for our health. We must avoid chips, all these kinds of junk food. Okay, we always try to eat healthy food. We should drink plenty, about 8 to 10 glasses of clean water every day. We should not drink water that is not covered. Very important thing. Don't drink water uncovered. Even don't eat anything which is uncovered. It might have very small creatures called germs in it. Drinking water with germs can make us ill. You know, there are so many diseases which can come through the water, like cholera, like many diarrhea, all the kinds which related with our liver upset. Generally, that diseases comes through the water. So clean, neat water is very important thing. Our body needs rest too. We should sleep at least 8 to 10 hours daily. Children go get enough sleep, grow up healthy and happy. If the children will not eat properly, drink properly and sleep properly, the children became very sick and very disturbed. Playing outdoor games and doing exercise help us to stay fit. Some of them are jogging, swimming, playing. Very important thing. During this lockdown period, during this COVID-19, we all know during this period, really we are facing few problems, physical problems, especially as we are not going outside. We are not mingling with our friends. We are not going for playing. And these habits really very problematic for us. Playing indoor game like Ludo, chess also can fun. Chess, Ludo is also brain game. So you also try to involve yourself within these games also. We can do yoga. It is a type of exercise that is very old. It helps us to stay fit. Very important thing. Staying clean. If we keep our body clean, we will stay healthy. Some good habits you should follow every day to stay clean. Only eating healthy is not enough. You must clean your body. You must wear clean uniforms, clean dress. Make yourself clean. That is also important. Brushing your teeth twice a day, obviously. once in the morning, once before going to sleep at night. Cutting your nails when it's grow long. Washing your hands before and after meal, as I told you. Washing your hands with soap and water after going to the toilet. Yes, definitely. And now you know that definitely wash hands every after 1 hour using the hand wash at least 1 and 2 hours. Without, if you are not doing anything, still you come be it should become a good habit. Really, it is very problematic. I know that you try to do yeah, younger people, children generally try to misuse the water. Don't misuse, because then you will be feel sick. Wash only adequate with adequate amount of water. Wash your hands and move. Having a bath every day with soap and water, wearing clean clothes, washing and combing your hair, very important thing. These things are really very important. You use things to keep our body clean. Some of these are toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, nail clipper, comb, shampoo. Okay, we should also keep our home and classroom clean. We should throw waste in a covered dustbin. We should not litter places around us, such as roads, parks, etc. So we must try to keep clean not only our self, our home, our outside also. Because if that sides are unclean, untidy, it's meaningless. Okay. So you will learn this topic very carefully. Next class I will provide you question answers from this topic. Then we will start the revision. Okay. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Be safe and healthy.